Hey people, so I'm at this exhibition in parade grounds, and it's an underwater exhibition, I'm told, with fishes and all. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. So let's see how it goes. So the fishes begin from here. These exhibitions, after a success of one particular exhibition, there's so much of demand. Wow, this looks beautiful. Wow, this really looks beautiful. I want to enjoy the whole. They're like exquisite, yeah. Look at them, they are multicolored. How beautiful is this? These are some kind of exhibition, some kind of fishes, and look at this tiny little fish. Each one has its own personality, really.